Today at 9 o'clock, the latest figures suggest that 9 crore 43 lakh 34,262 doses have been given to people in India of the various priority groups, and in the last 24 hours itself we have given 36 lakh 91,511 doses. This figure, in fact, in last week we one day even gave 43 lakh doses. This is probably the highest given anywhere in the whole world, and probably better than everyone. As far as our healthcare workers are concerned, over 89 lakhs have got the first dose and over 54 lakhs have got the second dose. As far as the front line or the field level workers are concerned, over 98 lakhs have got the first dose and 45 lakhs have got the second dose. Till now, we have exported 6.45 crore doses to 84 countries, and this had happened, in fact, till fortnight back, which includes 1.05 crores to 44 countries as grants, 3.58 crores to 25 countries as commercial contracts, and 1.82 crores to 39 countries through the COVAX facility of WHO. We have 1 crore 19 lakh 13,292 cases which have totally recovered in the country. Our recovery rate, which at one point of time in the recent last 2-3 months had even gone up to 96-97%, has now climbed down. It has come down to 91.22%, and in the last 24 hours itself we had 1,31,968 cases in the country. To be precise, in the whole country right now, if we have to look at some of the positive sides, there are 149 districts where we have not seen a case of COVID in the last 7 days. 8 districts have not seen a case in the last 14 days. 3 districts have not seen a case in last 21 days. And again 63 districts have not seen a case in last 28 days. As far as the deaths are concerned, at the time of our last meeting, we had 1,53,847 deaths in the whole country, and today we have 1,67,642 deaths. At that time it was 123 additional deaths, and today it is 780 additional deaths every day. Right now, 0.46% of the active critical patients, they are on ventilator, 2.31% are in ICUs, and 4.51% are on oxygen supported beds. In the last 24 hours we have lost 780 patients in the country. Our fatality rate fortunately continues to actually come down, and right now it is 1.28%.